10 and states there's lint blown out in the back of my yard. Just looking it over, very clean machine. Looks like they're taking care of it. Let's go outside and check to see if there's good airflow. Yep, looks like there's plenty of air coming out. I'm not worried about there being any blockage in there, but just for the simple fact that I want to teach you guys, let's snake it out. So, we're going to grab my vent cleaning kit from the truck. You can buy these for 20, 30 bucks on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. And all you do is you take each portion and connect it to a drill and start pushing each one through. Make sure to always spin the drill forward, never in reverse, or else you can actually unthread the rod inside the wall and then you'll never get it back out of there. But just keep going until it pops out the other end. Ooh, look at all that beautiful lint. Then to get it out, all you do is continue spinning it in forward and then walk it all the way out. And then, eventually you'll be able to just pull it out. Clean up the mess. And for my favorite part, blowing it all out. Make sure to clean up the mess in the backyard and move on to the next one.